In recent years, numerous scientific studies have shown that many chronic and autoimmune diseases are linked to the accumulation of toxic substances and constant tissue inflammation. To address these problems, medicine has long used therapeutic apheresis, a well-recognized technique that allows the blood to be filtered in order to remove toxins, pathogens, and inflammatory components that are harmful to our cells. Thanks to the evolution of therapeutic apheresis, it is now possible to cleanse the body in a more targeted and effective way, with the goal of reducing symptoms, slowing down pathological aging, and improving the quality of life for many patients. So now, let's watch the informative video. In our daily lives, we are exposed to a heavy toxic load that comes from the food we eat, the planet's groundwater, and even the pollution in the air. The chemicals and countless toxic substances we come into contact with every day make us sick and accelerate our aging. To counteract these problems and the diseases that result from them, such as multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and in general, any chronic or autoimmune disease, we work with a therapy that has extensive scientific evidence supporting its effectiveness, autoimmune. It is a patented, completely innovative medical procedure that represents a major technological advancement in therapeutic apheresis. As you can see, one cycle of autoimmune consists of 2 consecutive sessions, spaced 48 hours apart, while on the rest day, various toxin mobilization techniques are carried out to increase its effectiveness. The treatment is performed at the Biosalud Day Hospital, in a room fully equipped for this process, which once started, does not cause any discomfort. In fact, some patients even fall asleep. Furthermore, at all times, the patient is accompanied by our specialized healthcare staff, who carry out the procedure in a personalized way. Each patient and their condition is our priority. For this reason, safety and control are guaranteed through this high-tech technique, which is carried out using an extracorporeal circulation circuit that provides complete blood purification. Through this process, the pathogenic components responsible for a disease and its clinical manifestations, and even pathological aging, are extracted and eliminated. Autoimmune helps cleanse toxins from our blood through a filter with special intelligent membranes, and it also patented, which makes it possible to remove all types of toxins that damage our cells. It acts on the effects of chemical substances and has a positive influence on excess cholesterol and on viral residues present in our body, such as COVID-19. Because of all these features, the benefits of this treatment are especially relevant for patients with autoimmune diseases or conditions related to the accumulation of environmental toxins. At the end of the entire process, a liquid is obtained that contains all the substances filtered out and removed from our blood. This is called the eluate. Between the 2 sessions, thanks to the phenomenon of osmosis, there is a migration of harmful substances from the tissues and cells into the patient's bloodstream. Autoimmune is the technological evolution of therapeutic apheresis. It is patented, and it is only performed in 10 authorized and specially trained centers worldwide. Biosalud holds the exclusive rights for Spain. Thanks to detoxifying intravenous infusions and medium-intensity whole-body hyperthermia, a very high level of harmful and toxic components is filtered out, reducing or even eliminating the patient's symptoms. Numerous scientific studies show that practically all chronic conditions have a basis of toxicity and progressive tissue inflammation. And autoimmune addresses both causes, which is why it is recommended for any chronic disease. It is the best preventive treatment for maintaining healthy aging, as inflammatory cytokines return to normal levels after the treatment. For this reason, its positive effects are what matter most. All patients who undergo the procedure experience a clear improvement in their symptoms. In addition, the analysis of the procedure helps determine the underlying causes of their condition. A patented, scientifically proven, and effective process that cleanses our body of harmful and inflammatory substances and works on hundreds of diseases, providing a better quality of life and rapid improvement for all patients. You can find all the information about this treatment at biosalud.org.